Presenting the 1996 GMC Yukon. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front reading lamps, passenger adjustable lumbar, driver illuminated vanity mirror, daytime running lights, luggage rack, cruise control, and passenger illuminated visor mirror. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.